The device in my hand is a Whirlpool 7 kg semi-automatic washing machine. And in this video we are showing how to change this fabric type. You can know that in certain models there you can see adjust the fabric type from a normal to heavy, delicate, etc. by simply changing like this. So first of all, after you set the wash timer, for example if you are washing for 10 minutes you set, after that now you can see that this is the normal washing going on now. And suppose if you have in your clothes there are more dirty sound, and if you require heavy washing, then you can simply change it to heavy from here, and you can see that it is rotating very fast now. And in some cases for your good clothes, if you required a delicate wash, then you can change the mode like this. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.